Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into learning how to track your personal milestones using Notion. This is a fantastic tool to keep your goals and achievements organized. Now, the first step to tracking milestones in Notion is the creation of a new page. Simply click on the plus new page button on the sidebar. This dedicated page will be your go-to place for tracking all your milestones. The reason we do this is to have a singular, organized location where you can see your progress clearly. Next up, we'll be creating a table on this new page. Why a table, you might ask? This is because tables in Notion provide a clear, visual way to track progress and achievements, making it easier for you to see your journey at a glance. To create a table, click on the plus Add a Block button, scroll down to the Database section, and select Table. Now that we've done that, it's time to customize our table. This helps us because personalizing your table allows you to track information that is specific to your milestones. Click on the first column, rename it to Milestone, and create other columns like Date, Status, and Notes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you're doing this. You're creating a dynamic, interactive checklist of your milestones. This will allow you to update as you go, ensuring you are always on top of your personal progress. The final step is to start filling in your milestones. Click on the plus new button within your table and fill in the details of your milestones. For example, if your goal is to read 50 books this year, you can add that as a milestone, set the date, and keep the status updated as you progress. Let me explain why this matters. This step is crucial because it allows you to not only track, but also visualize your progress. It essentially becomes a live journal of your achievements and goals, keeping you motivated. And that's it. You've just learned how to track your personal milestones in Notion. Remember, the key here is consistency. Make sure to update your milestones as you progress. This will not only keep your tracker accurate, but also boost your motivation to achieve more. Until next time, keep tracking and keep achieving.